Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much an easy scarring look, you would say. So if you don't want to kick it up a notch and just stop here, this would be something you could do for Halloween. Something easy, obviously. And it's like this scarring special effects look. I'm obviously not going to stop here. I'm going to open that up so it looks like an actual cut. Like if someone carved an X on my face, on the side of my face. And I'm gonna use, probably use some nail clippers just to clip that center, and then go in with like little scissors and just open this up here. It's actually pretty cool. I actually like how it looks. Pretty awesome. This is for the, I don't have that much time, but you do need some time because this took about an hour, and that's only because I layered it about 7 or 8 times. So I did like thin coats here just so I could try to like blend in the sides here, and then I went in and added layers on top of these sections here. That way it looks thick, and when I cut through it looks like the skin is actually opened up. So that's the only thing. It is a little time consuming, but it's super easy, super fun, pretty cool to do. I wouldn't mind doing this for someone if they asked me to. I'm just gonna blend out the makeup here. You really don't have to worry about the liquid latex matching to your skin because you're obviously gonna add makeup. But if you like this look, then we can just leave it like this. Alright, now let's continue the process.